Are you looking for playful ways to support and engage your diverse learners?
Do you offer centers in your classroom, but you're looking for fresh ideas that will foster more engagement and joy?
If so, then please sign up for our free webinar, Planning for Playful Learning. My name is Kenisha Bino, and I have been an educator for 14 years, and I've taught pre-K and kindergarten in French and in English, as well as grade 7 and 8 extended French. For the last 7 years, I've worked as an early reading coach for the Toronto District School Board. I am passionate about culturally relevant pedagogy and how we can foster play-based learning environments that center and honor the lived experiences of children.
And my name is Angelique Thompson. I've been an educator for the past 20 years, teaching various grades from kindergarten to grade 7, but my heart and passion lives with our kindergarten to grade 2 learners in the early years. For the past 7 years, I've been an early reading coach for the Toronto District School Board, and Kenisha and I have worked in this role to support various system leaders, administrators, and schools with effective practices connected to play-based learning and literacy, grounded in culturally relevant and responsive teaching. And we are the co-authors of The Gift of Playful Learning.
In various classrooms that we've supported, we have seen the transformational changes that have occurred when educators have intentionally planned playful experiences for learning. And the strategies we've shared have supported educators in creating spaces that engage, motivate, and sustain the thinking of children.
In this webinar, we will explore the elements of an invitation for learning and why they are significant, consider the steps to plan an invitation for learning, and explore ways we may revitalize learning opportunities.
Don't forget to sign up for this free webinar by clicking the link below. We look forward to sharing strategies to uncover the brilliance of children and how we can ignite joy.